That's what it is, baby. This is what it is here. We gotta put the damn meat in here. Yo, you even hear the sound of this thing?
Mm-hmm. Sounds strong.
We're talking some fucking... It's a high regulator, bro.
That's scary. Look at all these pipes.
That is 4-inch, bro.
Yeah.
4-inch gas lines.
Damn.
Yo, you watching the thing?
Yep.
Alright. That's what we got going on here. I should go one more time.
Yep. One more. To be sure. Perfect.
See what we got?
Right there. Good.
See this shit, bro. Look at all this shit.
Mm-hmm.
Hear the sound of this, baby? That's gas.
Yo, don't think man.
I'll be back after I'm done.